You know, some cars are just timeless. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, that's one of them, an absolute icon. When you see those doors go up, it's pure theater, isn't it? It's sleek lines, that incredible fuel-injected straight-six engine, and of course those famous Gullwing doors. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. People dream of owning one or even just seeing one up close. So imagine the buzz when you hear that spirit is being rekindled. Not just a tribute, but a full-blown reimagining. And by who? Saoutchik. They were the rock stars of Coachbuilding back in the day. Their return to the automotive stage is big news. This isn't just about slapping a new badge on something, this is about bringing back a level of bespoke artistry that many thought was long gone. The idea of Saoutchik tackling a car inspired by the 300 SL, well, that's a match made in automotive heaven. They're calling it the Saoutchik Torpedo S. It's about taking that legendary DNA, that Gullwing magic, and infusing it with 21st century technology and Saoutchik's unique flair. The Torpedo S isn't just a car, it's a statement about where the pinnacle of automotive luxury could be heading. Now, for those of you who might not be familiar with the name Saoutchik, let me paint you a picture. Jacques Saoutchik, a cabinet maker originally, moved to Paris and started his coach building company way back in 1906. This wasn't just any old workshop. This was a place where automotive dreams were made real, sculpted in metal. His creations were more than just transport. They were rolling sculptures, works of art that graced the Concours d'Elegance lawns of Europe. Saoutchik quickly became synonymous with the golden age of French coach building. We're talking the 1920s, 30s, and into the late 40s. He worked with the most prestigious chassis of the era, Hispano-Suiza, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Delahaye, Talbot Lago. His designs often featured sweeping, dramatic fender lines, intricate brightwork, and opulent interiors. What really set Saoutchik apart was his incredible attention to detail and his willingness to innovate. He patented several design features, including disappearing convertible tops and unique door mechanisms. Sadly, the golden age of coach building began to fade after World War II. The legacy, however, remained. So, fast forward to today, 2025. The automotive world is a very different place. We've got electric cars, autonomous driving, all sorts of incredible tech. But amidst all this modernity, there's a growing yearning for something more. Something with soul, something handcrafted. And that's where the story of Saoutchik's revival begins. A group of passionate individuals, true car enthusiasts, decided that the Saoutchik name was too important, too legendary, to remain confined to the history books. They saw an opportunity. Reviving a brand with such a storied past comes with immense responsibility. You have to honor the heritage, the DNA of what made Saoutchik so special in the first place. But you also have to be relevant to today's world. The new custodians of the Saoutchik name understood this perfectly. Their vision was to bring back that commitment to bespoke luxury, to unparalleled craftsmanship, but to do it with a modern twist, leveraging the best of today's technology and engineering. And their first project, the one that's got everyone talking, the Saoutchik Torpedo S. The choice of the 300 SL as a spiritual muse is inspired. The new Saoutchik is all about exclusivity, about creating automotive art for a discerning few. Section 4 sculpted for a new era. Design and materials of the Torpedo S. Now let's talk about the car itself, the Saoutchik Torpedo S. How do you pay homage to something as iconic as the 300 SL Gullwing without creating a mere copy? That's the challenge the Saoutchik design team faced. And from what we've seen, they've navigated it brilliantly. The silhouette, the stance, it clearly evokes the spirit of the original Gullwing. You can see those beautiful flowing lines that Saoutchik himself would have admired. But it's not a retro pastiche. It's thoroughly modern, sharper, more aggressive in some ways, yet still retaining that classic elegance. The designers have clearly studied the original Saoutchik archives. You can see hints of that flamboyant, artistic flair in the details. They're not just thinking about how the car looks, but how it makes you feel. The proportions are crucial. They've managed to capture that long bonnet, short deck appeal of the classic sports cars, but with a contemporary edge. And yes, of course, it features those iconic Gullwing doors. While the original Saoutchik creations were masterpieces of hand-beaten steel and aluminium, the Torpedo S embraces the cutting edge. This blend of classic design inspiration with advanced material science is what makes the Torpedo S so exciting. Section 5. The Heart of the Beast partnership with Pogea Racing. A beautiful body is one thing, but a true driver's car needs a heart to match. And for the Saoutchik Torpedo S, that heart comes from a very special place, Pogea Racing. Now if you're into high-performance German cars, particularly Mercedes-AMG models, you'll know Pogea. These guys are serious engineers. They're based in Germany and have a reputation for extracting incredible, reliable power from already potent engines. They don't just tinker, they re-engineer. Pogea Racing isn't just supplying an off-the-shelf engine, they are taking the Mercedes-AMG M178 4-liter twin-turbo V8, a phenomenal engine in its own right, the one you find in the AMG GT, and then they're working their magic. The aim is to deliver a powertrain that is not only incredibly powerful, but also perfectly suited to the character of the Torpedo S. This collaboration goes beyond just the engine. Pogea Racing's expertise extends to other critical performance areas. This partnership ensures that the engineering beneath that beautiful Saoutchik skin is just as impressive as the coachwork itself. Section 6. Performance meets pampering, the Torpedo S Experience. So, what kind of numbers are we talking about with this Saoutchik Torpedo S, thanks to that Pogea Racing magic? Well, hold on to your hats. The figures being quoted are seriously impressive. We're looking at outputs in the region of 700 to potentially over 800 horsepower from that reworked AMG V8. Torque figures will be equally monstrous, ensuring that acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking. Not to 60 miles per hour. Expect that to be dispatched in the low 3-second range, maybe even dipping into the 2s. Top speed, well north of 200 miles per hour. But raw power is only part of the story, isn't it? The Torpedo S aims to be a true grand tourer, blending that immense performance with genuine luxury and comfort. The interior, you can bet, will be a masterpiece of Saoutchik craftsmanship. Think the finest leathers, bespoke wood veneers, or carbon fiber trim, exquisite metalwork. Every detail will be customizable, allowing owners to create a cabin that is truly their own. The driving experience itself is being carefully honed, with the carbon fiber construction ensuring a lightweight and rigid chassis, and Pogea Racing's expertise in suspension tuning, the Torpedo S should offer a sublime blend of agile handling and a comfortable ride. It's the complete package. Section 7. The enduring allure of bespoke, why the Torpedo S matters. In an age where so much is mass-produced, where efficiency often trumps artistry, the resurgence of a name like Saoutchik and the creation of the Torpedo S is more important than ever. It reminds us of the value of true craftsmanship, of the beauty that can be achieved when skilled hands and passionate minds come together. These handcrafted, bespoke cars are not just for the ultra-wealthy, they are standard-bearers for excellence. They push the boundaries of design and engineering, and they inspire us all. They show what's possible when there are no compromises. The excitement surrounding the Torpedo S is palpable. It's not just because it's a new supercar, it's because it represents something more. It's a link to a golden age of motoring, a revival of artistry that many feared was lost forever. It's a testament to the enduring human desire for things that are unique, beautiful, and made with passion. In a world of fleeting trends, a car like the Torpedo S aims for timelessness. It's about creating a legacy. And I, for one, can't wait to see it in the metal.